respected teachers, parents, organizers of this competition and my all friends. Assalamu alaikum. I am Arya Shirin Bilal Ahmed, student of National Urdu High School, Kalyan. Want to express my views on my family, my responsibility. So friends, this is a campaign which is organized by Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Uddhav Thackeray. On 15th September, Mr. Thackeray organized this campaign to handle the situation of Maharashtra state as we are suffering from coronavirus. Thackeray addressed this under the name of Majhe Kutum, Majhe Zimmedari. To handle the situation, we have to follow these basic rules and regulations like wash your hands, wear face mask, wear gloves, and follow social distancing. We should avoid unnecessary get-together. As far as possible, we should stay home. Stay home, stay safe. Even we need to go out, we should sanitize, wear mask, wear gloves, and go. In our home, elderly people and small children should be utmost care. So friends, we must have to come together and make it successful event.